This lesson is determine if B is a linear combination of vectors formed from the columns of the matrix A. So here we have A and here we have B. Put these two together. So this portion is the A, this portion is the B. So put these two together as one. This is A and this is B. Since this is already a 1, we leave it alone. This is a 0, we leave it alone. We need to change this 1 into a 0. So the opposite of positive 1 will be negative 1. So negative 1 times everything in row 1 plus everything in row 3. Okay? Again, because this is a 1, leave it alone. This is a 0, leave it alone. So the first row, the second row, everything leave alone. This is a 1, we need to be a 0. So opposite of positive 1 will be negative 1. So negative 1 times row 1 plus row 3. So negative 1 times 1 will be negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 gives me 0. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give me positive 2. Positive 2 minus 2 gives me 0. Negative 1 times negative 6 gives me positive 6. 6 plus 5 gives me 11. Negative 1 times 11 gives me negative 11. Negative 11 plus 9 gives me negative 2. And as you can see, this position and this position and this position, none of these are 0. One more time. This spot, and this spot. None of these three spots are 0. And since they are not 0, then B is a linear combination of the column of A. Also, there is a solution and consistent. One more time. This spot, and this spot are not 0. They are not 0. So therefore, B is a linear combination of the column A. Also, there is a solution and consistent. One more time. This spot is not 0. So therefore, there is a solution. There is a solutions. And we could say consistent. That means there is a solution. Solutions. Okay. So B is a linear combination of column A. One more time. This is A. This is B. Put these two together. Do your row operations, come down to this portion, and if this spot and this spot and this spot, these three spots are not 0, then it is a linear combination of matrix A. There is a solution and it is a consistent. However, if one of these is 0, if this is a 0 or this is a 0, then B is not a linear combination. Therefore, there is no solution inconsistent. One more time, be very careful. If this is not 0, not 0, not 0, then there is a solution consistent. However, if this is a 0 or this is a 0, then there is no solution inconsistent. So be very careful.